Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you around a really exciting bike. This is a BMW S1000R. There's effectively two versions of this bike, the double R, which is the fared sports bike version, and this, the naked. It's powered by the same engine, though slightly detuned, so it's an inline 4 engine, unusually for a BMW, which makes about 160, 170 horsepower depending on which website you subscribe to. It's a phenomenal bit of kit, this, absolutely stunning looking. It's a 2018 bike, so this is the second generation of the machine, and it's done just over 10,000 miles from new. It's got lots of nice aftermarket goodies on it, and it's in very, very nice condition. So to give you a bit of a rundown of what the bike is, it's on 17-inch wheels. This particular one has got Michelin Pilot Road 5 tyres, I believe, which are a fantastic all-round road tyre. Can be used in a multitude of applications. Very lightweight wheels and big discs on this, paired with 4-pot Brembo radially mounted calipers, so very good stopping power. Semi-adjustable electronic suspension, and it's also got braided lines and ABS, so really good front end on these bikes. And I say semi-adjustable because you wouldn't really manually adjust this. It depends on which mode settings that you've got on how your suspension reacts, but I'll get into that in just a bit. Accessory wise, it comes with LED indicators at the front. It does have a double Evotech rad guard and an oil cooler guard just behind the front wheel. I don't know if you can see that. Good thing to have on hyper nakeds, because the speed at which stones come off the front wheel is pretty fast, so it just helps to protect those radiators. Cosmetically, it's finished in the white M colours. In my opinion, this is probably the best colourway that they do. Cosmetically, it's in very good condition. It's been well loved and looked after. There's no major marks, scratches, dings or dents at all, as you'll see as we go around the bike. One thing you've probably already noticed, the bike's been fitted with an aftermarket Arrow back box. Still retains the original collector, so you've got no problems in terms of emissions. Still retains the original exhaust valve, so everything runs as it should, though it does sound absolutely lovely, as you'll hear shortly. Towards the back, again, 17-inch wheel with a matching Michelin rear tyre, again in very good condition. You'll notice the data tag sticker there on the rear subframe, so the bike is obviously data tagged. And to the rear extreme, you can see we've got what I believe to be an Evotech tail tidy, as well with the LED indicators. It's got a really nice back end. It's the same back end as the S1000RR. Probably not the most comfortable pillion seat, but perfectly adequate if you are to take people out on the back. It's got quite a comfortable riding position, I would say, for a sports naked. Relatively low seat height compared to the bars, so your back is nearly straight. So you could do some mileage on this bike. Like I said, it's a very powerful, very quick bike, but actually quite low down. They're very easy to ride, they're quite pliant. At the front, we've got some aftermarket bar end mirrors. These are decent ones, not cheap Chinese ones. Really good quality. We've got some really nice color-coded adjustable folding levers there as well. And we've also got a fly screen at the front. Again, a nice quality item. I believe it's made by Pyramid. Just helps to kick the air up over the top of you as a rider, which obviously on a naked is something that can be quite savage. On this side, again, it's very much the same. So cosmetically, again, no major marks, scratches, dings or dents. As I pan across, you'll be able to see that the bike is fitted with the BMW quick shifter, which is a really decent bit of kit. Chain sprockets, brakes, tyres, all that kind of stuff, that's all checked over during our pre-delivery inspection. So if we do find anything that does need replacing, we would absolutely do that. The only cosmetic mark that I've managed to find on the bike is a little bit of paint rub just there, and that is mainly due to the fact that that is where your knees go. So the abrasive nature of leathers will sometimes rub paint off. It's not any kind of damage caused by, drops or bangs or anything like that. Got the BMW tank protect here. Nice thing to have, just stops your zips from damaging that really nice paintwork. Up top, we've got all the switch gear. So I mentioned suspension, so it has semi-active suspension, which is on the switch. It's got ABS, cruise control, switchable power modes, and it does also have heated grips as well. So we go through the startup sequence. So fairly straightforward. Analog rev counter, speedo, your current engine map. So as you change the engine modes, it changes the characteristics of the bike and the way that everything else works, including the traction control, etc. You've got your fuel, gear position here, service reminders up here. Obviously you've got the mileage, 10,279, and then a clock. Also worth mentioning with the service, obviously if it is due a service, it will get serviced before it is collected or delivered, though I do believe this bike comes with a full documented service history. Let's give it a start up. It's got a nice deep growl to it, though. It's not obnoxiously loud, so you'll get away with that. I think if you're starting this up on a Sunday, your neighbours will probably thank you for it. If you were to remove the collector box, obviously it opens it up and it would get a lot louder, and that's when you start to run into some potential issues. So the bike will come with a 3-month warranty from us. It comes with free delivery within England and Wales. We can offer delivery to Scotland for a small charge. We can offer finance and part exchange as well, so if that's your thing, or if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. You can pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to drop into the showroom for a coffee and you can try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.